Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to create this Deadpool makeup for you guys. So this one has been created using liquid latex and the Ultimate FX palette by Ben Nye. So if you want to know how I created this, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video. I have already put my bald cap on. This is a bald cap by Maron. It is a latex bald cap. I glued it to my skin using Prolzate and I put some wax on my eyebrows. This is the wax by Ben Nye and this is to protect my eyebrows, of course. So today we are going to create Deadpool and I have decided on creating the very interesting skin texture with liquid latex. So I have tested this a bit and I discovered that just using liquid latex as it is, I am using the liquid latex by Maron. It is too liquid and once you have put it on the skin it will kind of flatten out because it is a liquid. So I decided to mix the latex with just a tiny bit of flour so it has a bit more body to it and it would stay on the skin more as I put it on there. So here is the liquid latex paste and I have a few non-latex foam sponges, and as you can see I have plucked the surface of these sponges to give them some texture, and when I put this in the liquid latex and apply it to my skin you get a very cool effect of the healed burned flesh. That is enough with the liquid latex for the base of this makeup. So if you're gonna work under your eyes, please be careful. You don't want to get any liquid latex in your eyes. It hurts and it can damage the eyes, so please be careful. Now the liquid latex has dried for the biggest part. I'm quickly gonna powder it with some neutral set powder by Ben Nye, mainly to get rid of the stickiness of the liquid latex and to make it easier to paint over this in a bit. To give our Deadpool some color, I'm gonna work with the Ultimate FX palette by Ben Nye. This palette has 18 colors, which are perfect for any special effects makeup you could want to make. These are cream-based colors and I do want to tint them down a bit using alcohol to be able to work with them a bit more translucent as when you would use them directly from this palette. So I'll just scoop a bit of the color out of this palette, put it on my mixing palette, add a bit of alcohol to it and apply it to my skin. And I am doing the burnt colors before I am applying the flesh tone, so I can put the flesh tone over this and make the burnt colors appear a bit under the skin, if that makes any sense. So the shapes probably won't be exactly as Deadpool's are because I just applied the liquid latex as it came off my sponge. So I'm using my brush, I'm using my fingers, just getting that color on there. Onto a much darker shade of red from the same palette. So I'm not doing all the pieces again that I just did with the lighter red. Just creating some depth with this darker color. And a very, very, very dark red color. And I'm trying to use less and less of each color as I go darker. So that is what happens if you don't pay attention. Hopefully I will be able to fix that in a bit. And I'm also using a bit of purple in this makeup because I feel like it does have some purple here and there. And I have a bit of brown, which I feel is the color for the healed skin. So I'll put that in there as well. So this is quite a bright makeup at this point. I'm gonna try to tone this down in a bit using the skin tones I have in a different Ben Nye palette, also grease paint, because I thought it would be fun just to create a grease paint look for once. Now I feel there is a nice base on my skin with all of the colors. I'm gonna set it with powder, and as you can see, that already tones down the colors quite a bit. So I really want to powder them very well so they are set and will stay on my skin where I put them, because I'm gonna layer over this after I have powdered it. To give myself some skin tones back, I have the Matte HD Foundation Palette by Ben Nye. It has all lovely skin tones in there. This is also a cream-based makeup, so I'm gonna mix it up with a bit of alcohol again and stipple it on the skin using my large stipple brush by Titanic FX. So I'm just stippling gently over the makeup to get that skin tone on there. There is the first layer of skin tone. I'm going to continue to powders. This is the Cool Glam palette by Ben Nye. And with that I want to add a few more skin tones. So I want to darken up the eyes a bit. They don't really have any wounds, but I do want them to be a bit darker. So there they are. And I also want that same color in a bit of the makeup as well. I feel it's time to pop my contact lenses in and get my costume on. And there the contact lenses are in and I have the costume on. I also have the mask, which I won't wear obviously. Probably I could use it as a prop if I would go to a party with a makeup like this one. But yeah, with that my makeup for today is complete. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. For now, I wish you a wonderful day and of course I hope to see you back soon.